Vibe coding is not random prompting. When developers throw vague instructions like, build me an app, at an AI, the result is scope creep, messy code, and endless compilation warnings. To get clean, usable systems, we must provide structured blueprints. By defining goals, API structures, and constraints upfront, the AI agent is given a strict target, generating a highly structured, error-free workspace. In the age of AI coding, our role shifts. We are no longer just writing syntax. The developer must act as a high-level system architect, a product designer, and a quality controller. Meanwhile, the AI agent takes care of the implementation details, handling compilation, refactoring, and code generation. We direct the vibe, the AI executes the syntax. To guide the AI effectively, we replace loose text prompts with structured documents in our repository. Keep a dedicated folder with blueprints and specifications. Specifically, we maintain a blueprint markdown file, a specifications file, API contracts, and user interface states. This keeps the codebase self-documenting and keeps the AI agent aligned. Instead of writing vague instructions, we write Gherkin-style given-when-then stories. When we specify features in terms of system states, like given a user uploads a file, when they click process, then they see a preview, the AI knows exactly how to map behaviors to React code without making assumptions or inventing features. Define clear API contracts before generating code. When we explicitly write the endpoints, request bodies, response schemas, and status codes, we establish a rigid boundary. The AI can then easily generate type-safe TypeScript interfaces and mock servers, preventing the server and client from drifting apart during generation. Finally, outline all visual user interface states. Don't let the AI guess how an error looks. We specify the input panel, upload area, loading indicators, error boxes, and completed output layout. Once the architecture and blueprint are crystal clear, the next step is to establish strict boundaries and modular composition to prevent the system from getting bloated. AI agents overbuild immediately when scope is not tightly controlled. If you throw a loose, open-ended prompt asking for a dashboard with accounts, reports, and payments, the AI will generate hundreds of lines of boilerplate, import heavy dependencies, and create bloated, crowded user interfaces that are impossible to compile and debug. We must stop the explosion before it starts. We protect our project by setting strict MVP boundaries in our specification file. We write down exactly what is included, but more importantly, we list explicit exclusions. By specifying no custom database storage, no persistent login histories, and no payment subscription gateways in our rules, the AI agent's context is kept narrow, clean, and fast. Preserve development speed and cost boundaries by avoiding heavy external packages. Instruct the AI agent to write clean, vanilla code and use native browser utilities instead of pulling in bloated charting libraries or global state managers. A strict dependency shield keeps the codebase lightweight and free of compilation errors. Never let the AI build single, monolithic view files. Direct the agent to split massive layouts like a mega dashboard into clean, modular child components. By establishing separate files for the header, input panels, preview accordions, and status banners, the codebase remains understandable, and you can isolate bugs in individual elements. Coordinate these components using a single parent container. We designed the parent shell to handle state coordination and system flow, passing variables down to child views and receiving events back up. This loose coupling prevents child components from depending on each other, making it easy to swap them out as features grow. Finally, add clean extension hooks early in development. Implement lightweight wrappers for state services, auth guards, and feature flags. This lets us plan future upgrade paths, like starting with a simple shared passcode today and upgrading to JWT authentication later, without needing to rewrite any of the core UI components. AI-generated code can look absolutely perfect in your editor but still fail completely when you build it. Without continuous compilation, you might write hundreds of lines of code only to discover a mountain of TypeScript errors, missing imports, wrong parameters, and broken routing configurations. Code is only real when the compiler says it compiles. To prevent this, establish a continuous compilation loop immediately. The workflow is simple: write a prompt, compile the generated code, Read the errors, feed them back to the AI, compile again, and preview. By keeping the feedback cycle under 60 seconds, you detect bugs when they are small and easy to fix. Never try to explain compiler errors to the AI in your own words. Compiler logs are deterministic feedback. If the console tells you that property status does not exist on type props, copy that exact stack trace and throw it directly into the AI agent prompt. The agent knows exactly how to read compiler error output. Watch as the AI processes the exact diagnostic log. It immediately spots the missing imports, updates interface properties, corrects mismatched props, and adjusts state bindings. Within seconds, the error count in your terminal drops from 4 to 2 to 0. Your codebase is clean and healthy. With the build passing, you can now preview the working application slice in your browser. Users can interact with the mock upload area, browse the accordion controls, see validation alerts, and receive instant feedback. You aren't just generating files anymore, you are shipping functional features. This is the modern developer operating model. The human specifies and designs, the AI agent builds and accelerates, and the compiler validates and secures. By combining human direction, AI speed, and strict compiler validation, you transform from a coding keyboard worker into a software systems architect.